Charging station, you'd say.
It's a very neat design.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
really
that's
honor
really
to have.
We do 100% test.
उहाँहरूको fully testing section छ यहाँ पुरै मेसिनहरु राखेर उहाँहरु टेस्ट गरिराख्नु
This is the future of the
This is the
electric
upcoming
truck.
future. Everyone is going to use the liquid cooling.
Yeah.
तपाईहरुले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ है उहाँको यो चाहिँ liquid cooling को चाहिँ charging cable हो यति लाइट वेट छ.
Single coupler
Yes.
goes up to 600 amp.
600 amp.
Some other countries also embrace GBT, which is Chinese charging protocols.
तपाईँहरुले अब यता यो साइडमा नि देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ यहाँ फुल्ली प्रोडक्सन गरिराख्नु भएको छ. Each and every certificate. They have CE, they have all the certificate for the UL and IEC. These are the most important certificates. I'm really happy to find and to further have a coordination.
I guess for your next video clip, you might show all your audience